riders taken at the Smurf test track.
Tested on real kids.
Parents will love the Super Smurf piggyback rider. It's terrific for toddlers.
Real Smurfy.
The Smurf's a poppin' train. It's really poppin'.
A walker and a rider.
The Smurf Power Cycle for kids a little older.
It looks like fun.
And now,
ta-da!
the Smurfmobile.
Wow! Smurf-tastic.